ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 5th 10th. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ದಿನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 3 ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಸ್ಪೀಚಲ್ಲಿ, ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ಹಾನರಬಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾನರ್ಡ್ to stand before you to speak on the occasion of Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day every year on 26th January with great joy and patriotism. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force and our country became a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It is one of the most important days in the history of our nation. The Constitution gives us fundamental rights such as equality, freedom, and justice. At the same time, it reminds us of our duties as responsible citizens of India. Republic Day teaches us the value of unity in diversity. India is a land of many languages, religions, and cultures. Yet, we live together as one nation. This unity is our greatest strength. As students, we can serve our country by being honest, disciplined, and hardworking. Respecting our teachers, parents, and following rules are the first steps to becoming good citizens. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and promise to work for a clean, strong, and developed India. I conclude my speech by saying Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, thank you. So, Republic Day speech 2, short and simple, ಬಹಳ ಸರಳವಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು. Respected principal, dear teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day, one of the proudest days of our country. On 26th January 1950, India adopted its constitution and became a republic. Our constitution is the backbone of our democracy. It gives us rights like freedom of speech and equality, and it also teaches us to follow duties such as respecting the law and helping others. Republic Day reminds us that the future of our nation lies in the hands of students. If we study well, respect our elders, and love our country, we can make India great. Let us take a pledge today to be responsible citizens and work together for the progress of our nation. Jai Hind, thank you. So this is the second speech. And the third speech, respected dignitaries, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all. Today we celebrate Republic Day, a day that symbolizes the power of democracy and the strength of our constitution. It reminds us that India is a nation where people rule themselves through laws made for the people, by the people. Our freedom fighters dreamed of an India where every citizen lives with dignity, equality, and peace. Republic Day is a reminder of that dream and our responsibility to fulfill it. As young citizens, we must promise to uphold the values of truth, unity, and discipline. Small actions like being punctual, keeping our surroundings clean, and helping others can bring big changes. Let us respect our constitution and contribute to building a strong and united India. I end up my speech with pride. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, thank you very much. So these are the 3 speeches. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಚನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.